Matongo wofumani bo yenganbisa matongo wofumani bo yelele nyanbisa matongo yefumani bo hayenganbisa we matongo fumani bo wo sibonise indlela ngoba sambe bumnyameni fumani bo isibonise indlela ngoba sambe bumnyameni fumani bo wo sibonise indlela ngoba sambe bumnyameni fumani bo sibonise indlela ngoba sambe bumnyameni fumani bo Matongo fumani bo fumani oh fumani fumani wo
Pezke podcast yethu kodwa umntaka baba isukile kuthi njengoba ngihlale ngikuthembisa mina nangiphumuleko ngithatha yami uku ngithinga emlanjeni ngithi ngiyokuthiya hayi ngifune ukuthiya ifesekulu njenge ngiyiphethe mntaka baba ifese ngikhuluma ngomma othethe igadango lokuthi athathe ilimi lesindebele alithathe ayolifaka emvumeni emhlobe nomvumo oyijazz ngikhuluma ngoZodwa Mabhena Zodwa yethe
akwande hlalithwa nguzodwa Mabhena njengoba sowuthwile unamba uduma umasokasokile isikwekwe sakobingweni nangathana khakungeselithi sasiza kweluleka sisinde ngombana ngeselitshe
kekharuka ukuthi thana isichema sami singakubethela izandla manje sibonke babamba amakamera nomnumune nento ayenzako uvukile
ngivukile ngabuza nini
ngiba ukusivezele ubelethwa phi wena ubelethwa ngubani
okay ngibelethwa ngunamasango obelethwa ngunamahlangu
okay
ekhetho omkhulu kwaMasango uMike abomkhulu kwaMahlangu kwaQongo ubaba ubelethwa ngunamahlangu naye kwaPeta
awo
ubaba unguMabhena ngibelethela kwaMaginini ngeBrongoro
wa
kadana khona ngabelethwa
usabukutsho
awa angisabukusho ni mara sesikhatshana khona ngikhona
sekusikhatshana okay kwaMaginini nababa ukhulela lapho
awa ngibelethele kwaMaginini kodwana samuvela eAlmansdrift Sing ngenxa yokuhlahlana lapho nalapho abazali bangasazwani yabona uma wasuka ke wabuyela kwabo so sakhuliswa ngugogo wekhetho omkhulu sakhuliswa bomalume kodwana uma wazifunyanela yakhe indawo
wathatha amadzinyana akhe naye akuhlala
wafaka ngehogweni
yakhe nibangaki
besibane kwethu so sisele sibathathu mina ngiphetshana nodade wethu omkhulu kuze umna kwethu kuze lo walala kongidade naye endeni mina ngiphetshana bakamma kodwana kubaba ngoba baba yena wachubekela phambili ngempilo bakhona abanye
nisabona noba Sisenobudlelwane naye.
ubaba awasewalala kodwa abantwana iye sinobudlelwane nawo
Sithokoza kakhulu.
Iye.
Nakho-ke ubelethiwe uthome yakhula-ke kufika iy'nkathi nanzi ezokuthi uyokuthoma isikolo. Usithoma phi wena isikolo?
sithome eGoro primary school eBronkhorstspruit ngasuka eGoro primary
Emaplasini?
awa elokishini ezithobeni
Okay.
so suka eGoro primary school ngaya eNkosabo primary school iNkosabo le inge-Almansdrift
Okay.
ngathi nangiseNkosabo primary school ngiyakholwa uma wazizwa nganeli ukuthi umntwana mangafunda la hlakaniphe kangaka wangisusa lapho wangisemutse combined school imutse ngemagomedzwana
Aha.
bekusikolonyana engathi simo sabumodlela
Yeah,
siyanyana
yeah.
ngaleso sikhathi and then nangisuke emutse ke ngaya kwaManala high school from there kwaManala high school ngayofunda eHeritage School of Music after umatriculate
Now sesese mazingeni aphasi apha. Into kade icabanga ngiyo leyo ukuthi ufuna ukuba mvumi.
azange ngicabange anything else ukuthi ekhaya batry kaningi ukungidiscourage ukuthi no man ungathi uyi-A student ukhamba uyokwenza music
Bona bakhana ukuthi wenzeni?
ilo
Wa.
eh
Kubani lo in particular? Ngumma
Udadewethu.
bodade. Yeah.
because uthanda ukuthi hey wena ngendlela ungakhona umuntu ungammele khodwa
Yeah.
ukuthi kufanele ube yiloya ngathi hey lezo azikho kimi la ngaphakathi you know kunama roots ngapha yeah ama roots la afuna ukuthi akhula abe nama branches athi kube nama leaves yabona
Yeah.
so mina ama roots wami athi kimi you are an artist
Bomuntu onjani ke mawukhula kwamhlambe esikolweni? Bawubuhlanya, bawuzubuthelele.
bengivuma
Mbala.
kumnyama kumhlophe ngiyabatshela ukuthi sami space sona fanele sibe khona ngine item to render
Go program.
yes
Yeah.
I have an item to render akunangenye indlela mina my first performance was in primary school when other children were making noise eklasini mina I was singing so umem lo wangithola ngicula ngeklasini wathi wo wena uzenza iclever nguwe kuhle orasako ngapha orasako lo nguwe uyongena class to class uyovumela
abantwana.
isikole esisonke nje akhamba ngingenisa that was my first performance I regard it as my first performance
Yeah.
because I got to be washed
Mhlambe sithi breakthrough, ne?
yes so I was very shy but I feel pretty and witty and bright and I pity any girl who isn't me tonight
That's you.
that's my song
Akunabushayi next lapha. Asikambeke.
iyasuka ngithi into yokushayela.
Iyasikimaka leso
Yes.
sikhathi. Nanguku meme yakuthatha ke uthi mntazana. Nechata wena. Uyavuma wena. Isikhathi sesikolo. Ungenisa gumba negumba wethi khamba uvumela abantu bonke nje. Uqabanga ukuthi lokho kukodwa kwabooster iconfidence yakho ukwenza ukuthi ube namandla ukuthi njenganje ngiyakhamba ngiyokuvuma.
On that day it was very painful because ngithi marume mlo vele ufuna
uyangithotshara
ukugibe
kuhle,
humiliated vele isikolo sonke
Awo.
sizongihleka mina bese ngizivumela ngenza into evane ngiyenze ekhaya ngoba mina ubaba mbeka ngibizi FM amntwana mlo ngathi FM akathuli ni usuyavuma uvuka ekseni uyavuma bekuyokuthinga ilanga
Kanti kuhle ummemuke bekenza idiscovery yena kathi angakuzwisa ubuhlungu.
yes
Nakho ke zodwa.
Eh.
Bonke akagadangisa obviously ngaleso sikhathi
Awa.
ngithi. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ngilingokulandelela the kind of music ekade uthanda then. Ngimapha ngiziphi ingoma zama artist obuzivuma? Ma artist maphi okade uzivuma esikoleni uzimimika or uzivuma
oh
live?
yazi bengithanda music wonke funny enough bengilandelela I was singing Brenda Fassie, don't follow me, I'm trying to imitate
Yeah,
Brenda Fassie.
yeah, yeah.
And then I was singing about Rebecca Malope. And then ngijike, ngizovuma bo.
Rebecca Malope ngeversion yegospel ngaleso sikhathi. Yeah.
Yes. Ngiyekeleni ngihambe. Yes. And then now ufike ekhaya, you have uncles, you have sisters, they love different music. So now lo bengiwulalela because bengicula abo Margaret Mkengani, Dino sana
Sana lwami
bongo
sana
sana
lwami.
yes. And then
Ngizalubeletha.
yes. And then kufike kube no nabo malume abanye umuntu akhona ulalela abo lie to me.
Yeah.
Lie to me.
Yeah.
Make me believe
Yeah.
everything you
Those are your
say.
souls.
Just
Yeah.
lie.
Yeah.
Brooke Benton.
Yeah.
And then my sister used to listen to Abo Spinners. Yes. So
Easy
I
come,
would
easy
sing.
go.
Yes. Easy come and
Easy go. And you had your humor scholars and nabo konje ngubani umanange umalo waka Caiaphas Semenya. Umka Caiaphas Semenya. Oh, ndiyabuza.
yes, Letambul.
Letambul.
Yes, Umam Letambul.
You used to sing
Yes,
those as well.
I used to sing those songs. Abo merema ke I used to sing bo Sambaye pa kyulitike.
Exactly.
Sambaye ka tu kyulitike.
Yazi nokungitshela wona namhlanje ayifani nawe. Mina
Nantike ke nyantike kompeliti na frantike maye. Yes, I used to sing those songs. Ngisasemncane. Benginabo 8 years and I started composing then.
kuyavela kuwe ukuthi kuhle kuhle igenre yakho ngiphi uthanda ijazz kuyavela kuwe mhlambe awukabe kuzona
Bengingakazitholi ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi
kuhle kuhle
what genre am I falling under?
you
Yes.
still a high school girl ngaleso
Yes, I'm
sikhathi
still even primary.
right
Yes.
secondary
A secondary, that's when I started. Because in secondary, you get exposed to choral music. Then I joined a choir. And then, yeah, na singeke choir. Mina ngifikelwa ama notes. I started writing music. Ngama notes. Ngingakawufundi. Ngiyazi ukuthi wena nawuthi do, omunye uzothi mi, omunye athi so,
yeah.
do, it's a chord. So ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngiwuhlanganise ngaleyo ndlela.
ngabo do re mi
Yeah.
fa sol la ti do
Yes. Bengazi nokuthi nayinjalo it means I solfa notation.
akongicele ngempilo yakho ke ye secondary ke nje secondary versus ikhono lakho lomvumo icho ke ukhule unjani ukhule umuntu olelesakho bolelesa
No, hayi bengiba nezehlakalo zokuthi ngenziwe izinto.
wazenziwe phezu wakho
Yeah, now sakhulako ukhuliswa yi single parent. And then awubi njengabanye abantwana because umaka namali.
Njani zodwa?
Bayaphema abantwana yabona I natural hair ivele into yakade akusiyinto engithoma nje. Isithuthi ezona abanye bayaphema wena you don't have money to do that, ne?
Yeah.
Bazokhamba bayokwenza bathini ba straighten up inhluthu le.
yeah
You don't have money to do that. Yes. And then I'm in a choir. I'm still doing standard 6. Baby's a grade 8 inch.
you have
I
been
mean,
brought up by a single parent
Yes. I'm in a girls choir and then iyavunywa ke lapho
bekenzani ubasebenza
uma iye.
okay
Yes.
usekhwereni
Yes. Uma actually uyasebenza but she's trying to make ends meet. She doesn't have a proper job uyabona ngaleso sikhathi. So ngisekhwayeni
yeah
I'm leading a song because I had a beautiful voice. So the conductor thought I'm gonna lead the song.
yeah
And the conductor was the principal of the school.
when worried kan ngaleso sikhathi
Mina angisi worried. I'm very happy. But they gave me a song, Guti, lead this song. And then the choir young accompany. How? Okay. So kube ne weekend enye uma wathi kimi inhluthu zakho eziyangisilinga yazi. I had a very big afro. So nge weekend bengafuna ukama. Yabona? Uma wathi ngizokulungisa kwenzeka ngalale mina wangihona. Ngeskerwa cha. Nangivuka ngimagombe la and akakaqedi wathi iza ngicedele.
kwakatela ukuthi uqedelele
I-weekend ezako siya kuma competition. Yabona?
zodwa
So nangifika esikolweni. Uyabuza uconductor uthi kanti uphi loya ovumako ngithi ngimi mem. Wathi nguwe?
akasakubona
Ngithi wathi wenzeni? Ngithi awa uma
Unkeri.
Wathi ungathi umbika ngaka ubuye uhune nenhluthu.
how could she
Hi man pum.
ay
wangikhipha wathi kambe siya kuma-competition asinasikhathi sokudlala.
That was painful.
Yes. Ngaphuma vele.
Oh, ncancabe, Mark.
Kodwa iyangihlekisa because
Yes, kahleka ngayo namhlanje, but it was painful then.
yeah, it was.
Wabo uyiluzile trip leyo?
Eh,
Wabo
zange
uyiluzile?
ngisaya-ke.
Ah.
And ukhumbule ukuthi uma umuntu lo obamba lapha abambe lapha uvasela abantu ngiwatchini wenzani. And then ke ukwazile ukuthi ahlanganise angithengele ihempe emhlophe namanyathelo. Angisayi kuma-competition.
Wafika wamtshela-ke nokho ukuthi
Iye,
kubayini ngayo?
ngamtshela ukuthi
Wabonakala
Thando,
ukuzisola nomqala.
wathi man thana uyakama ukami uMemakholo ngifuna ukumtshela nanje angithi yazi abazali bakade beba very tough. They gave us a tough love musa abafani nabanye.
Yeah,
ukuthi
yeah.
uMemakholo vele bengifuna uthana ngiyamtshela ukuthi awukami wena ngeweekend ngikho ngihunile ukuthi zihwabe iveke ezakukhamba umuhle.
Mbukele kapho ngikhaya. Zodwa Mabena mvumi womvumo wejazz ngelimi lesiNdebele. Sukile buti. Bese podcast yethu sukile buti. Sekuthokoza mbukele ngapho ngikhaya siyabuya godi nekutana yethu uZodwa Mabena oyazika into lo eyikhambeleko yazi isithunzi sakho ngiyasihlonipha wenza okuningi ikhulu ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi igatara uyifundapi ngoba ngathi nangikhuluma noma unoThemba ukuthi uyifundisa ngimalimakhe wena uyifundisa ngibani
Ngathi ngicela ukumatriculate ngayo study your music. And then esikoleni leso bengimejara ngepiano. Kuhle ame pianist.
Okay.
Yes, but ngathi nase ngiku second year there was this guy who was playing bass. And then ngadevelop ithando khulukhulu le bass. Ilikuthi engomeni lezi bengithanda ukuzilalela kade. Bengizwa ibass more than any other instrument. I would listen to vocals and bass, vocals. Ingoma ngiyazi vele ngebass line yakhona ukuthi
Okay.
pam padam tagadum tum tum zagadum tum 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 tum. So vele before ngizoyizwa ingoma, that's what I would hear first. So ngayizwa ngathi wona sinto leya mos. Angithi ku first year yenu you still doing ama rudiments, you not read
Yabona uyangilahla ke manje. Kuyini ama rudiments la?
my basics.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
You are not deep into this
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
So manje second year gula so unikelwa khona ingoma kuthiwe this is the song. Now that you have passed ama basics, now you are on the second level. They give you a song to play and then you get to join the band, the school band. And then nakhona awumane nje ujoin school band angithi fanele ibe ukuthi you are determined, at least they sing a light, you've got potential.
Bolwela. So you wanted to play instrument and also sing.
Mina, I went to study music. Like I thought I'm gonna do theory and voice, and then they advised me, Uguti, what are you gonna do if your voice is gone? So you need to have you need to have a voice, yes, and have theory and have an instrument to play. How are you going to compose your music if you are just a vocalist? So ngati mina ngati ngithi ngiyaqala ngibona everyone is playing a piano. Ngathi okay, I'll choose this instrument. Not knowing ngithi thina we are from the remote areas, we are not exposed to these things. And nesikolo lesengisizwe iMetro FM isese Radio Metro ngalesa sikhathi.
Exactly.
Ngezwa bakhuluma nge-School of Music, they were interviewing someone. So I took the numbers, the address. Kuloka sabhala ama letter, I wrote a letter in and then they
Apply.
called. They called me for your audition and that's when it began.
What did you do in your auditions? Bafuna ukuthi wenzeni specifically? So auditionela ini? What were you auditioning for?
Yes, you sing. You sing. Yes.
Because instrument
Yes, I remember I sing
Ngoma kabani?
Yaga Aretha Franklin, Killing Me Softly.
Okay.
Yes.
Killing me softly.
Killing me softly with this song. Killing me softly with this song. Saying,
Kono.
Yes, but I sang the song from start to finish.
Is it?
Yes.
And then
yeah.
they were like,
Yes.
now good to
You are in.
You're
Yeah,
in.
Yeah.
Ngitshela-ke nana, kuke uvumile, uyidlalile instrument. Bekufuneka-ke ukuthi kufikwe la kuthiwa wena njenganje uphumelele uphasile. Udlala instrument, uvumile ukwenza pheze konke. Ngingathi instrument, instrument. Bekufunekani nakuza kuthiwa nangulo uphumelele uphasile-ke njenganje.
We were writing our examinations with UNISA. So you get a certificate and then you also do your practicals with UNISA. And then go practical yakho, it's angithi study shilo music, the notes esikolweni. And then go practical yakho, they just give you a score, a song that you don't know. You have to play that song and sing it.
Do you remember that song?
Sure. In the song. It was, it's Ave Maria by Bach, J.S. Bach. Ave Maria.
Yeah.
Uyayicula uBeyoncé nje.
Ngizohlunga nganangengoma engayaziko mina umuntu nayivumako.
The song is
Ngiba
now
ne-stress.
written by Beyonce, but it's originally by J.S. Bach.
Okay.
J.S. Bach is a German composer, but 1685 simbiza ukuthi ngewe Baroque period, according to
Okay.
music, yes.
Uphasileke. Bakunikela certificate?
Yes, you get the certificate and then you are going to the next grade. So when I was going to the next grade, that's when they said you are suitable to join the band because yazi ukuthi kunjani now buya endaweni bengisathi ngiyayitsho ukuthi if you are coming from the remote areas ufika esikolweni uthola abantwana babuya kuma private school beza bakwazi ukudlala ama instrument you can't play even when what you all you know is
bathi bakhuluma nesikhuwana isobuludlana so wena struggle nangesikhuwa esiwena bakhuluma nengikhuwa ezikuluke butike bafaka nekhuwa ekulu
awukhona nokwenza ama friends because abantu bayathwenga ngapha nangapha
you are not in their level.
Yes, uyazifila ukuthi angikho ku level yakho.
Kufika lapha bagcina bathi lo ushayi lo njalo. Kanti awazi ukuthi ukhuluma uthini.
There's a language barrier, yabona. Injalo. So nafika ko lapha everyone could play abanye badlala ama violin uyababona ukuthi yo
good.
Yeah, and then nakathi uyakhuluma umuntu wakho uyamuzwa ukuthi yey la kukhulunywa isikhuwa la akudlalwa. So mina I stayed in my corner. Ga practice instrument yami ukuze ngifikelele ezingeni lele ngibathole bakilo. So ngama lunch, lunch would take 1 hour, I would take 1 hour practicing because even in imali leyo kudlala anginayo. Yes, so I would practice. Practice. Nababuyako there's progress. And then go second year. Okay, they could see ukuthi lo angayidlala this thing.
Yeah.
I joined the band, playing piano and singing. I remember the first song bengidlala because I love Aretha Franklin. They gave me Troubled Water.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bathi vuma le.
Yes. 3 Yes, I would play it. Yeah,
So with piano.
Yes, ngepiano.
And vocals, you also did vocals.
Sing,
Yeah.
yes. And then there's this guy udlala bass ngemuva wami la yo ngizwe ukuthi ya uyayidabula. Ngathi kimi kuye ungakhona umfundisi bass. Wathi no. No, you are a lady, you can't play bass. Izokulimaza imino. And nakona, when you got into school, they said, choose one instrument. Did they say choose 2 instruments? I said,
No, I said...
They said one. So you can't play 2 instruments. Ngizomlungisa. Bachayisa sikhathi bani, bachayisa ngabo 2. And esikoleni la kuvalwa ngo4. Chukuthi ngiyophuma ngo4.
Shamboti
Ngiyidlala
tamandi
instrument
show.
Yes. So mina I'm a self-taught bass guitarist. Esikoleni bangifundisa ukudlala piano and then I learned how to play bass. Because bengimuzwa ukuthi udlalani. And then ngiyawazi amakhila ngepiano. And then I would check, get boom, get it's B flat. B flat lo.
Yeah.
All right.
So B flat le magama wamakhila.
Yes. Ngithi oh i-stringless nguji
Yeah.
yazi music musi kune-language enye siyikhulumako abantu bathi iyalumela mara kithi ayilumeli
akusho kancane
sinabo G-string yes sinabo fingering yabona injalo but it's our language you know
nawe betha
but no
so nawe betha string mhlambe so but you are fingering ting
no but wrong fingering like when I'm playing like mhlambe ngiyadlala but the reason why you can't reach this note is because your fingering is wrong like it's the language that we use in music and
so
then
mara i-string nangikhumbulako ivele igatara seyikhona yona mhlawumbe ngizakuthi i-string ikotshwe phezu kwekatara
yes maybe because this small string eveza isoprano lekubass it's called a G string
and so yaphasa-ke then what
ngithola i-teachers license
ngitsho ekuphaseni apha lokho kukuvumela ukuthi wenzenike emva kwalokho
ukuthi ngingafundisa music I can be a producer I can yes I have a license to teach and then another thing azange ngihlale ngithi okay now that I got my teachers license ngiyahlala I corresponded with Trinity College of London so ngastudisha again I started from scratch because
qhubelele utheni buya uthe usuke lapha angithi uqualified
yes
eLondon wayokwenzani
I studied in Trinity College of Music
okay
London
ila
I was
there's a branch
corresponding
with
it.
Okay.
So I would write examinations.
And what were you doing there, Zodwa?
Ambition. I'm very ambitious.
Nah.
I'm very driven.
Ambition, yeah.
Yes. So if I can have this, it means I can have this
Also
as
have
well.
this, yeah.
Yes.
Kudana umbuzo-ke uzokubuya uthi wabenefithani utholeni lokho kade ungakakuthola ngaphambilini.
So I started with Trinity, and then my aim was to move abroad.
Oh.
Ukuthi nangimuvela abroad, I must have their qualifications. I must also have a qualification. I have same qualifications, but music akhona uyahlukanyana. Yabona? La South Africa, we get to study about African music, you know. So kune African music, kune Renaissance, African Renaissance, kune like the history of music isuka ihluke. Abo Bach laba ngibazi ngoba I studied music law we UK. Yes. So we Africa lo ukhona la ngistudisha khona classical music la ngingenela khona abo Debussy abo in music law akade vele lo othola ukuthi na ungena nge15 uze musu kudlala
Yeah.
Yes, music esufundawo.
That's foreign.
Yes,
Foreign music.
Yes, it's foreign music.
Mbukele ngapho ngikhaya nakizo zonke indawo la sikuthola khona phezu kwe-podcast yethu sihle sinekutana ingorho uma ozikhambileko into zomvumo phezu zonke Zodwa Mabena sukile buti phezu kwe-podcast yethu mntaka baba godu sathi nje naye uZodwa Mabena sukile buti akusingicoceleke ukatangise kuphi kokuthoma
Okay, ukukatangisa wami music or
Wakho
ladies
mvumo.
and jazz.
Wakho mvumo.
Okay. Wami mvumo.
Kodwa ake sithini kancane ladies and jazz. So uthome ku ladies and jazz kuhle kuhle. Uthome kiyo yi?
Iye ngithome ku ladies and jazz.
Ngonyaka muphi?
It was 2003.
Yeah, ukuthoma kwami ukubona beku ladies and jazz. Angithi beku ladies and jazz. Thoma kwami ukubona udlala eMredile.
Yeah.
Ku Jazz Festival, Standard Bank Joy of Jazz, something like that.
Yes.
Thoma kwami beku ladies and jazz.
Yes, ladies and jazz. So ladies and jazz bang discovering ngokuthi beza esikolweni. I think the Linda Kekan was esikolweni, and then Linda was very close to know the founder of Ladies and Jazz, Aniki Maswangai. So Linda told Aniki about this pianist. In so I joined Ladies and Jazz ngaleso sikhathi sinasengi fast forward. I got an invitation. I joined. Join kwami Ladies and Jazz. Bebafuna pianist. Nangifika ko lapho ngithola pianist ugood, right. But the bass player is white and she does not have rhythm. Like, udlala nje for the sake of play, udlala ama notes, akana rhythm. Uyabona? Lay foundation for the songs.
What I can also play bass.
No, I sat down with that white lady. Ngambuza, which other instrument can you play? Wathi, I play trumpet. Ngati, don't you want to play trumpet so that I
So I
play
can
bass?
play, yeah.
Because the bass feeling ngiyayithanda. Yabona? Ngibona ukuthi hayi mana ngeke ngikhona ukuhlala lapha. I want to stand up and dance, you know? So ngathi wavuma the lady. Wathi yeah vele angikhoni these African rhythms. So rather I play vele a trumpet in your songs. Then we spoke to them. Bavuma bathi okay. And then that lady bile uthi kimi plus I want to leave. Yabona? I've got many things. She was a soccer player as well. Bekadumile mana dlalela ibanyana ngalesa sikhathi. So waphuma ke and then I played bass.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Playing bass and singing at the same time. And then ukufika kwami ku Ladies in Jazz ngabathola basebelweni eliphezulu. Baba bantu vele ngifike, it was Wednesday. On Friday they are going somewhere, they're having a gig. Angazi ingoma neyi-1 ya. We had to rehearse all those songs to go and perform on Friday. Into engayibhayiza mhloko ayina size. Into ekade ngiyibhayiza mhloko. But I pulled through. And then the following week we rehearsed. We're having another gig on Friday and Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
Hey, kibatshele ekhaya ngithi ngathi angeke nisangibona la phela kuyaberekwa lapha. Okay, and uyazi musi na usakhulako uthekhaya ngifuna ukustudy music but no ungafundela uba nguBrenda Fassie.
Yeah.
Yambona uBrenda Fassie wenzani wenza into
Sangabaye nesikolweni ukufunda.
So sebathoma ukuphenika ke ekhaya ukuthi uyakhamba vele ngithi ngiyakhamba kuyakosa ukuthi sengifuduke ngiye ngeGauteng because nani niyabona.
So igig elandela kwaba ngcono.
Sengithoma ungathi ngiyasetlela but kusengakabi lula.
Na ukhumbulako wena uwedwa uhleze iminyaka emingaki ku Ladies in Jazz.
Ngihlezi until 2017.
So yini ethi
2018.
yini yafika yathi zodwa kuhamba ukuthoma into yakho.
Angakhambi ku Ladies in Jazz. Kwenzeke into yokuthi we grew apart. Omunye njengami I started composing my own music ngo 2010. 2011 I recorded my album but ngayibeka. 2015 I released a single. Sengithoma ukupromote single leyo and then prioritize yona. Nomunye naye we are all studying. Omunye ufuna ukwenza lokhu. Omunye uthi mina I want to finish my degree in. Yabona because sisesithukelwa indaba ukuthi siyakhula.
Fall back.
Yes, yes. So we grew apart but ngaleso sikhathi when we were supposed to meet and go have that gig besihlangana. And then amapolitiki nyana amanye avelako ukuthi ya wena so wenza so mina ngcono nami ngiphule out uyabona. But ngaleso sikhathi besingakahlukani kokuhlukana. Now it's now that we're trying to rebuild Ladies in Jazz. We are called African Ladies in Jazz, no longer Ladies in Jazz.
Okay.
Yes.
So yini eyafika kuwe? Yathi zodwa khamba kanje. Nanje would you tell me ukuthi you haven't gone solo? Usesengaphakathi kwesicheme?
I'm a solo artist. I'm also a band member. Ladies in Jazz.
Okay.
Yes.
Nisaberekisana.
Sisaberekisana khulu.
So ngitena ngiqalako lapha kunama awards okhambe uwathumba manengana zodwa. Uthumbe lapha eMpumalanga Sunshine Media Awards ku Best Contemporary Jazz Album. Wathumba i-Pensal Multilingual Award. Wathumba i-Women in Art of the Year Planet World. Solo kusesenguwa ukuthumba okay. Ma awards wathumbile ngithi leyo.
Kwathumba ngingedwa. Yazi kunento leyo ukuthi sometimes if uzima ukupha into ukuthi ngifuna ukukuphakamisa. Energies are not the same. We are not at the same level. Kunento yokuthi uzizwe ukuthi nje kuhle into lena ngingayibamba ngingedwa ingangibeka somewhere. That is why I pushed mina ukuthi after releasing this single I want to push it because kunento engichovako ukuthi bona angitsho ukuthi ithi you are the best. But iyangitshela ukuthi alone you're gonna make it better for yourself, you know. Kunento enyahlebela ngaphakathi la ukuthi sometimes uzala ufeel ngathi there's a lot of energy that you are losing instead of focusing on that thing. Uyabona? So ngaba nayo into le ukuthi let me focus ngikhiphe this thing engifeelayo ngaphakathi, because also in Ladies in Jazz I wanted to play and sing, but you never get that chance because there's a singer.
Someone is playing instruments, someone must sing.
Yes, someone must sing.
So ubona utlhayelelwa Cloud
yeah, ngabona ukuthi ene when I compose ingoma zami ziza ngesindebele, that's what I speak me. Ingoma zami ziza ngesindebele, nazizako ngesindebele ebhendini kunomntwana kunompedi kuno so ukuthi wena every time ufuna sidlala ingoma zesindebele, it's not like mina ngithi sidlala ingoma zesindebele mara ingoma eziziza zinjalo ngizozithini. So ngabona ukuthi it means I must sing the songs that I'm composing and then record an album and then ngibona ukuthi izangisaphi.
I-album yakho engikwazi ukukhuluma ngayo Sonyana bowukuphi nge-album leyo?
I-album yami Alinevolo. Sonyana ingoma engayicomposer for i-Ladies in Jazz.
No, ngifuna ukwazi uSonyana isolo.
uSonyana i-album ye-Ladies in Jazz.
Good.
Yes.
Ngiyazi ukuthi ngaphakathi
Composed by Zodwa.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I-album le ibe nengoma ezingaka?
Which album?
Le yeSonyana le.
Ina 10 songs.
10 songs.
Yes.
Kulapho mina ke nangikhuluma iqiniso kulapho ngathoma ukuthanda uZodwa khona. Mhlambe ikukhulise kangangani uZodwa i-album lena nangisikhuluma iqiniso mina kababa?
Ingikhulise khulu because I got to compose out of 10 songs I composed 7. 7 songs the album le Ladies in Jazz.
And the other 3?
The other 3 bebakhona abanye ngithi ngizibona angithi ngikutshela ukuthi I'm too ambitious.
Yes.
Bese ngizibona ngithi akhe ngihophe nyana ke nginikela abanye ithuba. Yabona nabo ke baziveze. And mara kusuke kuzibonakalise ukuthi now umuthi na umilako, which branch is stronger, which one is weaker. Uyabona le week le izosuka ihlephuke msinyana iwele phasi le izosolo kijamile.
Mhlambe ngithini akusungicocele ngama performance wakho amakhulu esikhathi mhlambe sinawo nasihleze sicala nje ongathi ma performance amakhulu album le eyakubeka kiwo.
Okay, the Ladies in Jazz album.
Yes.
My first performance when I was in Ladies in Jazz, the bigger one, was when South Africa was launching the government website.
Okay.
And then naloka i-BRICS naisa thoma isaformiwa le kubo 2006-7. So when they were launching i-BRICS by launchela eSandton. So Ladies in Jazz was performing. We performed for Thabo Mbeki when he was a president, inaugurated, we performed. We were performing as well. Yes. We were performing every year nge-birthday yakhe because we were the chosen band for him. Nguye wasithanda wathi nge-birthday yami, this is the band on the 18th of.
And the advantage was that you guys were women.
Yes. Yes. It was an all-female outfit, so bebayithanda khulu and playing proper music.
Ngikhumbula ne IC launch. You guys were there. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. IEC. It's me who performed. As
It was
solo.
Zodwa.
Yes, Zodwa Mabena.
All right, Zodwa Mabena alone performed for IEC.
Yes.
Performed for President Nagada Sekwaga.
Yes.
And the other performances?
I represented South Africa, Kuwait in 2018, when Kuwait was celebrating African
And that was
music.
Zodwa.
That was Zodwa. Yes. I got to represent, and then I was sent to even facilitate workshops khona lapho eKuwait. I was also requested to go represent Ndebele music Senegal in 2017. Yes, there Begu Vusi Mahlasela representing music lo wenzako. Thandiswa Mazwi ayiXhosa, there was Questa with hip hop, and then I was doing Ndebele music. Jessica Mbangeni as a poet. Nakhona lapho it was an African music festival.
And that was zodwa ke ngithi lapho. Ya uthinde namakhambo wakho waphetsheya. Ke wadlala eSyria ngithi? Ngicela ngayo.
Syria, yes. Ngidlalile Syria, it was very difficult.
What happened there? Uyanjani lapho?
Okay, Syria, we got invited for a Freedom Day celebration in South Africa. Si invite by ambassador Syria. Then kwathola ukuthi Middle East yoke iyasifuna as ladies and gents. So we went to Syria. And then after Syria, we're supposed to travel to Israel, Tel Aviv.
Yeah.
These countries are fighting. So if you are from Syria, you can't enter Israel. That was a difficult tour ever. So, Sugalai, South Africa, we are at Bahrain. From Bahrain, uzoya at Jordan. From Jordan, you connect to Syria. And finally, usuga Bahrain, we are Syria.
Straight.
But because they are fighting, you have to go via
Yeah,
Jordan.
vela ke ne-Egypt. Ne-Egypt nayo uyayazi. Huh?
Oh, Egypt is it was counted as Middle East,
Okay.
although it's Africa. So Egypt, when we were touring Tel Aviv, Jerusalem,
Syria.
Palestine, Jordan, and then Sabuya says Angapa.
So you taught all those countries as well?
Yes, yes. And then Egypt, Nasuke Egypt, we go back to Israel because yes, in foreign countries, when you come and perform and you're performing African music, you get another booking.
Zodwa uzikhamba zonke inarhezi, zonke nje. Wedwa. Where's the boyfriend? Kanti uhlekani?
Yazithi ngifikele eSkirlek. Awa.
Unaka ngaleso sikhathi.
Yazi ukuthi kunjani mina ngisuke ngaconcentrate kakhulu endaweni yombereko ngakhohlwa.
Usuke wajola
Ngakhohlwa indaba
nomvumo.
omjolo.
Ujole nomvumo.
Yes, nangithi phaphara heba nasengikhulile nomuntu abenginaye.
So
Ngikho
wena
namhlanje
usuke wajola
angakathali.
nomvumo.
Ngithe ukuphaphama ngithi
Enje phana.
konje phana kunento nje.
Bayavela ke nabo Mozambique club hlangana. Udlalile
Iye,
eMozambique.
Mozambique ngidlalile. We were they were celebrating Samora Machel, you know. So kune Samora Machel Day. So we went there and performed. We went back again the following year for Women's Day.
So you stood for some days lapho.
Yes, we stayed for some days in Mozambique. Mchisweni abonompopoloza.
Ifuna
But it's a very
ukuya
beautiful
lapho,
country.
ngifuna ukuya lapho ngithi ngaphandle kweziphi ama challenges mhlambe abe khona ngaphandle nje ukuthi bekuliwa njalo ngimapha amanye ama challenges obe nawo another country
Yo,
kube yini
I nearly got arrested in Senegal. Uyabona amanzi la? Silale hotel kuhle kuhle semali. Senze siya transit from Senegal to Mali. So sifike eSenegal kusebusuku, they booked us a hotel. So ukuthi ekseni sivuke siyadlula semali. Amanzi basitshela from South Africa ukuthi amanzi weMali ningawaseli. Actually amanzi weWest Africa le ningawaseli because temperature yethu ayifani, ningafika lapho and get sick. So sithola ama bottled water thina sifike ema hotel. South Africa the norm is when you get a bottled water in your hotel room, it's for free. Fika lapho ngisela amanzi la mina. Ekseni ngihlamba ngawo amazinyo. Ngithi ngithukuka ngeze ngawafaka ngemlonyeni amanzi wepompo.
exactly
Awa ngihlamba ngawo amazinyo. Awa ngiyakhola ngicede 4-5 bottles ubusuku lobo nekuseni kwakhona. Awu nase ngichecka out bathi room service. Room service. I mina ngingabisi room service. Mina breakfast ngizidle e-restaurant la. So mina I didn't call it room service, but 5 bottles of water and they speak French. Angibezwa mina. Ngizokhulunywa ngeaqua what angizwisisi kwenzakalani. Hi ngithi mina ngazi bathi uyawabhadela babala ama-franc esenegal baberekisa imali ye-france ithi mina anginayo imali le mina ngiphethe amaranda mina ngiphethe imali le ngiyiphethe ngisuke nawo South Africa bathi nangifika eMali ngiye embassy bazongitshentshela imali le banginikela ama-franc yabona so mina ngazi next so sengizokhulunywa Afrique du Sud in bese thiwa police
police yona uyoyiza ipolice lakibo
bafona Afrique du Sud in ngithi so kuzomunye uyayikhulumanyana iEnglish le uyangitshela ukuthi sesi uhlala la and wait for the police you are arrested what
baba
ngithi phela mina ngine performance but no you can't move ikhambe itaxi esibizelwe yona ukuthi
so bakushiya lapho
isikhathi siyakhamba iplane
bakushiye
bangishiye ngihlale lapho ngizokwenzani sengigadwe ama security ngengigidi la ukuthi ngingabaleki awangahlala ngarelax
uzimo
bafika
nabezimu
omunye ubhuti uthi kimi so isikhathi siphelile
siyaya asiyekugcineni kwayo
okay
ngoba ngisakufuna nalapha ngisakufuna khona yeah bese usinda njani
fika omunye ubhuti lo uthi ukhuluma iEnglish uthi are you American? Oh, you look beautiful. I had long dreadlocks.
Yeah.
You look beautiful. Are you American?
No,
I'm South African. Oh, my brother lives in South Africa. So what are you doing here? Yeah, Atikimi, what are you doing here? I'm arrested. As you can see, I'm surrounded by
why? At why?
Why? Ngithi mina bathi ngisela manzi in how? What I lapha reception how? Why inenza so? But you know, akana mali. She's taking chances. We thought maybe she's a prostitute or what? Ha, mina. Okay, what give me passport? Ngiyamkhombisa but umuntu lo uyabonakala ukuthi ubuye South Africa and ufika izolo and akaphathi nezinto uphethe ngiphethe iQatar for heaven's sake. Ke prostitute ngeQatar.
Mara wena.
Nangifika ko naka akhulume nabo. Abhadele ibhili le. Bese ke athi kimi ngimnikele 120 rand 5 bottles of water ama 500 ml we 45
wena
kwabhadele 120 rand
yeah
bangikhulula ke wangibhadelela itaxi airport amkhulu lona bezimbamba abakhulu ngithola bathi iplane layer has got a technical problem so it has delayed
ilinde wena mfazi
nangifika le hawo ngakwazi ukuthi ngikhwele iplane ngakhamba ngaye emali ke but nangifike emali my luggage is lost
sathwenye khulu nokho ukuperforma khona usayoperforma wenzani ku state theatre
okay I have a school izinto zami iziningi ngikho ngithe mina hayi isikhathi esisincane okay I have a school in 2013 I founded a school ngasibiza iSouth African School of Music my aim is to impart the knowledge that I have so that abantwana ngesipedi bathi rutang bana ditawula lisingile tjona badimo so abantwana laba babone ukuthi this is possible coming from a black child from the dusty roads of Mpumalanga
offloading Almasrift Sea yeah
yes so ngikwazile ukuthi ngenze ukuthi ngiregister isikolo sibe functional ngakhumbula ngathi okay isikolo lesa bengifunda kiso was accredited with UNISA I went to UNISA and seek for accreditation I was granted then my school is fully functional so I looked for a space at State Theatre ngasithola ke my school is based at the South African State Theatre though iwish yami bekuthi isikolo sami sibe la ePumalanga saba khona ngisesiyabusa kodwana angithi fanele siphile umbhino yinto okosa ukuthi ingiphilise so nangihlezi ke esikolweni ama registration abayi2 abayi3 ngiyabona ukuthi hayi man isikhathi siyakhamba and ngiyamotshakalelwa and ngimuntu vele I'm get up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So angisimuntu ozwana nokuhlala nje ngihlala imini lonke bathi ngilinda abantu ngiya advertise lapho nalapho but ngiyazi ukuthi nangise Pretoria everyone is looking everyone who comes to the State Theatre wants to do something about the fire that's burning inside me.
Ku profile yakho kuyavela ukuthi usebenzisane nabavuma ababhisi usebenza nabo Tunokwe, usebenza nabo Yvonne Chaka Chaka, Hugh Masekela, naye ne?
Oh, besithembisene.
Okay.
Jason ngathi ngise-Kuwait ngezwa the passing of Hugh Masekela. It was in January.
Yeah.
And ilikuthi besithe ngo-April we are recording a single yesindebele yena playing a trumpet.
Ncancaphe. Abavusi Mahlasela.
Yes.
Yeah. Bewenzani na usebenza? Bewusebenza nabo ngakumapha amahlangano?
Okay. Ngisebenze nobavusi Mahlasela starting from esikoleni sakhe. I was teaching music.
Okay.
And then again, I worked with him as a backing singer. And then wabona ukuthi uyazi umuntu maneka nento uyambona. And then he always kuma performances wakhe he would give me a chance to showcase my
Njengalokho
music.
yena athi silang mabele tlhaba
Amang dikgomo,
tsatsile pirimi le
le.
wena wongena utsho njalo
Bana ba tshwere ke tlala, ba
Batswere ke ramateka,
monna yo
sesane.
Yes.
And then akuseyedwa mna nekhaya Yvonne Tunokwe.
Okay, there was this women's project beyenzakala Market Theatre in Joburg. So it was like in August, bebanokwenza women telling their stories, performing, sort of a musical. So it was happening every year. So it involved us, Mam Tunokwe, Mam Yvonne Chaka Chaka, Koleka. Yes. So Gule project I was playing bass.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And then there's a musical as well that I was doing. Nabo Mam Nakedi Ribane, Mam Koni.
Actress.
Koni Chume. Then
Right.
I was playing bass, singing and acting.
Engifuna ukwazi ukuthi uNakedi Ribande bekenzani lapho because I know her as being the actress. Ubenzani yena lapho?
She's a very great singer.
I said
So she would dance as well. And then ngase ngithi ku acting nguye umuntu owangimentora ku Mam Khonchumi.
Ake umadanise iperformance ye-jazz ngaleso sikhathi senu emvale nanjenganje ubonani kusafana namkha sekunomehluko njenganje
Though bengingekho kangako ku jazz mina ngabo ma 80s, I was following anything that would come.
ubenje kubo 2000 ne
Yeah, mina ngithanda nangirelease i-album yami ya-categorize under i-jazz, but mina bengingazithi ngenza umvumo
bongakaziclassify
we-jazz.
nge-jazz
No.
mara ke iperformance yangaleso sikhathi uthoma nanje ubona
Yes.
kusese the same
No,
Or
it's not.
growile kudropile
Idropile.
Idropile.
Idropile because ngalesa sikhathi ngabo ma 80s music was jazz. Yes,
Music was jazz, yes.
Yes, music was jazz. The festival, nakuthiwa i-jazz festival, it was jazz festival. But if it was just a music concert, bowuzabona kunabo Lucky Dube, kunabo Yvonne Chaka Chaka, kunabo bani. But jazz music, bekuba nama like eMritila Park. Kuzaba ne-jazz festival kudlala abo-Hugh Masekela abo-Jonas Gwangwa
Exactly.
kuze ku-invite-we nabo-Yellow Jacket nabo-Keiko Matsui you know. So into enjengaleyo asisabi nayo la e-South Africa because nakuthiwa i-jazz festival uzobona kuno-DJ Maphorisa. Uzibuza ukuthi
kunepiano
maybe-
lapho
Yes, kunepiano lapho, so awusazi ukuthi
It's because
kuhle.
mhlawumbe lokho kubangelwa ukuthi amapiano yi-genre ethengisa khulu ne
yes, and the generation.
ake sikhulume ngesekelo olutholileko eSouth Africa lingangani njengomvumi ongumma umvumi oveleleko kujazz
Isekelo ngase ngithi likhona 60%. So mina ngisalwela just 40% le ngimuntu ofuna ukuthana uyasekelwa because as a female artist who's doing a lot in the industry, I'm not just standing there holding a mic. I compose, I perform, I teach. So i-recognition ayibi kangako. Maybe nami ngase sengiziblame because I do a lot. You don't have time to kind of promote yourself. Most of the time I'm working. So who's gonna see my work?
Nangu-ke uzodwa ukhulile. Uzodwa kasanawo amandla ukuthi angarakela phambili enza ama-performances wakhe abe lena. Ukhanuka mhlambe ukuthi ungakhunjulwa njani?
Nanoma ngingahlala kube angisakhoni ukuthi ngiperforme. I compose a lot. As in now, I compose for ama adverts. 30 bayakuthumela ukuthi please write us a 30-second song, and then you earn from that. I'm still earning royalties. I've written music for like soundtracks for ama series adlala ku TV. I earn royalties from it.
Leyo ndlela. Kodwa engikubuza kokho ukuthi ake sithi ucimile uthulile bongakhanuka ukukhunjuzwa njani nongasekho kuleli.
All right. I want to be remembered as this person ozithanda othanda umbhino othanda uAfrika bakhe othanda abantu othanda ifundo. I want to be remembered as umuntu nje othanda abantu man ngizothi ngithini. But I know people will choose ukuthi mina ngimkhumbula ngalokho because sometimes I become very funny. Abantu bazi this funny part of me, and then ababona ukuthi I'm able to be serious. Ngibe on stage. Abanye bazongikhumbula ngalokho ukuthi ingoma zami ziso. But ngiyazi ukuthi into yokuthoma ebazongikhumbula ngayo is my music.
Kewathi ngaphambili. Uzithole wena uthanda umvumo, uzithole wena uthandana nomvumo, uqome umvumo. Wazithola sewuchate phezulu sewuchate nomvumo. Kukhona mhlambe ukuthi interest nje yokuthi ungazithola uchatile ngelinye ilanga.
Angazi ukuthi ngizothi I'm seeing someone now because uzathi uyambona yena kanti akakuboni yabona. Yes, I'm kinda seeing someone.
Good luck.
Like
Good luck. Ngicalile mhlambe ake ngikuthengise kuye. Zoro, I must confess, solo ngathoma ukukwazi mina. And I see this marriage material. Mfazi engathina selimthethe indoda imenza umkayo. Ingezi yazisola nakanye. Mfazi ongawakha umuzi, mfazi ongakhulisa abantwana, mfazi onethando, umfazi ozithopileko. Angazi ke mina ukuthi amadoda kuhle asabani. Bangazibafaki isinjana le lapha into eliphele.
Kunobuchachanyana ngiyakholwa.
Ngiyabona yazi yini ubuchacha bangwa yini. Amadoda kuhle ayamsapha umuntu ozijameleko kuba yini kanti kanjalo vele bona. Amadoda bamfuna ukukhulu umuntu ozijameleko. Mhlawumbe kufanele semotivate ukuthi ukuzijamela kwakho kuyokusiza naye ukuthi niphakamise umndeni.
Alomdele sengihlale ngidonde ngithi basho ngilinda umendo amadoda awu.
Ungahlala. Nangu umuntu omncane ke njenganje mlayizwa kuma. Uzihlalele lapha ubukela uzodwa. Unento nasi ethi ngelinye ilanga ngingathabela ukuzibona ngifana nozodwa. Nakufanele namhlanje advice yokuthini kuye.
Okay. Woke umuntu engimbonako these days ufuna ukuba celebrity, but it's because of into esiphila kiyo nje social media. So everyone ufuna ukuthi people go live. Now abantu abasa concentrate on what God has given them. Now umuntu zisearch ukuthi what is it that I love the most? What is it that gets me up in the morning? And then once uzithola lapho into leyo ikhulise ngiyo vele ezokuphumelelisa. Ilotshiwe neBhayibhelini ukuthi talent lakho ngile lezokwenza ukuthi udayine nama kings angithi.
Uzimo nabezimo basibulungele wena kuphumelele konke wena ozifisela khona. Mbukele ngapho ngaya phezu kwe-podcast yethu sukile buti Zodwa Mabela.
Yo, sueña